Hello, so I want to solve this equation, this quadratic equation, using completing the square method, right? So, solution. Well, first of all, you need to make sure that your A is unity. What do you mean by A being unity? Make sure the value of A here is 1. Remember, the general form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Hence, from here, our A is 2, our B is minus 7, and our C is 8. Right? So we want to make sure that our A is unity, that A is equal to 1. So make sure, first of all, we are using what? Completing the square method. Completing the square method. So we need to make sure that our A is unity. That A is unity. Equal to 1. Right? And to do that, to divide through by A. Divide through by 2, right? So if you divide through by 2, we have 2x squared minus 7x plus 8 equal to 0. So divide this by 2, divide this by 2, divide this by 2, divide this by 2. Hence, here we have what? 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. Here you have x squared minus 7 over 2x plus, if you divide this, what do you have? You have 4, right? You have 4 equal to 0. Right? Good. So from here, you have x squared minus 7 over 2x equal to, you bring this to this side, you have minus 4. Because when the sign of addition crosses the sign of equality, changes to what? Changes to minus. Right? Now, you multiply both sides with the coefficient of, multiply both sides with b over 2 square. Right? So we take half of this, half of b, you square it and multiply it in both sides. So take half of b. Okay, take half of b, square it, and multiply in both sides. If we do that, look at what we mean. This is b, right? So half of b is minus 7 over 2. So half of all these things, all this divided by 2. Divide it by 2, then you square it. Alright? But before the square, let's work on what we have inside here first. Here, this is minus 7 over 2 divided by 2. This actually implies 7 over 2 times the reciprocal of this, inverse of this, 1 over 2. This is equal to 7 over 4. 7 times 1, 7. 2 times 2, 4. Right? From here, you now square. Remember your square. So we'll be using this 7 over 4 squared to be add it here and add it here. Sorry, add in both sides, not multiply. It should be add. It should be added in both sides. Right? So from this, you have x squared minus 7 over 2x plus 7 over 4 square equal to minus 4 plus 7 over 4 square. Right? Good. Now from this, check the ones that have square. X and 7 over 4. Hence, you bring them together. X plus 7 over 4 square. If you expand this, you still get the same thing, right? Yeah. So hence, you have here minus 4 plus 7 raised to the power 2. Should give you 7 times 7, 49, right? Should be 49. 49. 4 raised to the power 2. 4 times 4 give you 16. Right? Yeah. Hence, here you have the same thing. Bring it down. You have equal to You simplify this further. If we simplify this further, you have 16. The LCM of 1 and 16 will give you 16. 16 divided by 1 will give you 16. 16 times 4 will give you what? Let's use our calculator. 64, right? Yeah. So you have minus 64. 16 divided by 16 will give you 1. 1 times 49 will give you 49. Still 49. So minus 64 plus 49 will give you minus 15. Yes? So it will give you minus 15 over 16. Here we have what? X plus 7 over 4 all square. So from here now, since you have square here, to eliminate this square, you take square root of both sides. If you do that, we have x plus 7 over 4 equal to plus or minus square root of minus 15 over 16. Right? You take the 7 over 4 to this side. You have x is equal to minus 7 over 4 plus or minus roots. From this, you can actually separate this. Actually means minus 1 times 15. You have 16 here, right? Good. Hence, x is equal to minus 7 over 4 plus or minus root 15i. Because minus 1, root minus 1 is I. Root minus 1 is I. Your complex number. Right? It's I. The minus 1 is I squared. So this is, if you find the square root of 16, you have what? 4. And at this point, you can now separate the signs here, plus and minus. Hence, the two values of x is equal to what? Minus 7 over 4 plus root 15i over 4. Or minus 7 over 4 minus root 15i over 4. As simple as that.